blowing up twists and turns.
Aye, is it on, but? It is on.
Turn up. Right, okay. Why is it up? Why is it up?
No, but what?
Why is the light bulb itself?
Say it again.
And getting the wire out of place, not the fucking light bulb. Come on, you fucking thing, pay fucking attention. Is this thing come away itself? Fuck's it playing that? You love blowing this, don't you? I don't want to lose a fucking put this fucking thing here. Because I can actually put the fucking thing in the fucking socket. I don't like to.
Pull it.
Come away.
How many, Mr. Andy Man, Andy Boy, or Andy Guys? There's three. It take three of you to unscrew a light bulb. How many guys would that take a week? Aha. Right, let's have a look. This may take a month. Perhaps a year.
So when you push in, you turn?
Maybe 2 or 3 months.
Oh, fucking thank goodness for that.
Hallelujah! 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 How long and how many did that take for you, Andy Man? The 6 on the beach, the 6 machine. To unscrew a light bulb.
40 what? Looks like
Your
40
brainy answer is for today is
Tesco's.
Tesco's. Well done. Good man.
It's Tesco's 40 bulbs.
Alright, so what else is up there?
And you just go a bit back on again.
Why the fuck are you screwing that? Is it that there?
That's Tesco's light bulb, it's done.
So what the fuck are you doing with that?
That's done, man. Right. What? What? What?
Toilets as well.
The toilet is there?
Yes. No, it's no. It's cause David did that. How are you supposed to
I can't get this fucking thing in now. Oh, I hate that fucking chandelier. That's doing right. What's the whole fucking bit?
You done with the thingy for timing the glass, Andrew?
No.
Say not, doesn't it? No.
Oh my god, was that you?
Don't be like that. Well, I don't like this shit. You put the glass everywhere. Oh shit, man.
The
over there.